My name is Claudia, and today we're talking about how to start a profitable business as a Christian while staying true to your faith. Yes, so let's get started. And listen, this is not just another how to start a business video. If you've been feeling called to step into entrepreneurship, but you're worried about whether it aligns with your faith, stay with me until the end, because I'm going to break down exactly how to start a business that honors God and makes money. And trust me, you do not want to miss the last part, because I'm sharing a strategy that most Christian entrepreneurs overlook, but it can literally change everything. So let's get into it. 1, understand that business is a calling. Proverbs 16 verse 3 and Deuteronomy 8:18. First things first, let's get rid of this idea that business and faith can't mix. That's a lie. That's a lie. Proverbs 16 verse 3 says, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans. And in Deuteronomy 8:18, remember the Lord your God, for it is he who gives you the ability to produce wealth. That's right. So if you've been feeling guilty about wanting to start a business, stop. Because business is a vehicle, a way to serve, impact lives, and build wealth that can bless generations to come. But the key, you have to do it with the right foundation. It's always the foundation, and God is our foundation. So, 2, pick a business idea that aligns with your faith and your skills. Now, let's talk about what type of business to start. Because as a Christian, you don't want just any business. You want one that reflects your values, strength, and purpose. Ask yourself these 3 things, right? What skills or talents has God already given me? 2, what problems can I solve that align with my faith? And 3, what businesses can I build that doesn't require me to compromise my values? For example, Christian-based coaching or consulting, helping others in businesses, relationships, and faith-inspired digital products, Bible study guides, devotionals, planners, service-based businesses, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistant. Yes, even if you're a Christian, e-commerce with Christian values, apparel, journals, handmade crafts. Your business doesn't have to be about faith, but it should align with your values so that you can confidently serve with your audience with integrity. 3, build on a strong faith-driven strategy, not the hustle culture, right? So now let's talk about something a lot of entrepreneurs get wrong, thinking that hustle alone is the key to success. Listen, we're not out here doing business like the world does. We don't chase money, we attract it by operating in wisdom and obedience. So instead of burning yourself out, here's how you build a God-centered business strategy, okay? Start with prayer, ask God for direction, create a solid business plan, not just vibes, and see what happens next, and be excellent in what you do. Your work is your witness. Use your gifts wisely. God placed something inside of you for a reason. So when you build on faith and wisdom, your business becomes more than just about money. It becomes a way to glorify God while impacting lives. 4, make money without feeling guilty. Like in Luke 10 verse 7, right? You gotta remember, you don't need to feel guilty while you're making money. Just remember that. I have to address this because so many Christians feel weird about charging for their services. I just don't understand. But let's be real, Jesus never said you have to be broke to serve God. In Luke 10 verse 7, it says the worker deserves his wages. Meaning if you're providing value, you should be paid. Stop feeling guilty for making money. Like, they get everything from the Bible, sis. Like, you getting paid is from the Bible, everything. It's like, ask yourself, am I serving with integrity? Am I helping people with a real problem? Am I running my business in a way that glorifies God? If the answer is yes, then you deserve to be paid for your work. Period. Period. So number 5, market your business the right way. Matthew 5:14 through 16. Okay, let's talk about marketing, because I see way too many Christian entrepreneurs afraid to promote themselves. And I used to be one of them. I'm still kind of shy, y'all, but I'm stepping out in faith. So Matthew 5:14 says, "You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden." Translation: if God gave you a gift, you need to share it. Here's how to market without feeling salesy. Show up consistently. Use social media, YouTube, and email marketing. Give value first. Teach, inspire, and serve before you sell. Share testimonials. How is your business changing lives? Trust God's timing. Don't compare your success to others. No. The world needs more faith-driven entrepreneurs who are bold about their businesses. So don't be afraid to step out and own your calling. So let's recap. Starting a profitable business as a Christian is 100% possible when you, 1, recognize that business is a calling. 2, you can pick a faith-aligned business idea. 3, build on wisdom, not hustle culture. And charge without guilt. And market with confidence. Because at the end of the day, your business is your ministry. And if God called you, He will equip you for it. So if you're ready to build a profitable, God-honoring business, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which business idea you're thinking of starting. So let's grow wealth the kingdom way. And I just want to talk about how you need to build and share yourself with the world.